Hey, Arcade1up is here with a quick Arcade1 update. So as I'm waiting for my cabinet to be replaced, I ordered some clear mylar. So I'm just doing a little experiment. It will probably be not as professional as some others who will attempt to do this. I'm not going to remove the buttons, but it should be relatively easy to be able to cut the mylar up and push it back here, and then tuck it underneath and secure it with the screws. Just want to be able to protect this, and then just cut the holes around the buttons. I shouldn't really have to do this, but mylar is inexpensive. I got a crap load of it for like $18. It looks like it will work. If you get a tight fit like that, looks like it would work just fine. So I think I found the solution. So I'm going to give this a little test run and put it on this cabinet, and then see if it will work. And then if it does, I'm going to use it on the replacement cabinet. Alright, Arcade1up is out.